Class 12, let us continue the chapter determinant exercise 2b. Now 2 marks questions completed. Okay, now we will start 4 marks questions. Now 4 marks questions. Sum number 1. Show that 1. Alpha square, 1. Beta square, 1. Gamma square is equal to alpha minus beta minus gamma minus alpha. Okay, let's start with the left hand side. 1 alpha square, 1 beta square, 1 gamma square. Now let us do R1 dash equals to R1 minus R2. And R2 dash equal to R2 minus R3. R1 minus R2, that is equals to 0, and this is alpha minus beta, and this is alpha square minus beta square. Next, R2 dash means R2 minus R3. So it is coming 0, beta minus gamma, beta square minus gamma square. Now it is coming 1 gamma square. Okay. Now alpha minus beta, here alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta, here also beta plus gamma into beta minus gamma, and here is beta. So we can take common alpha minus beta and beta minus gamma. Then what we will get? We will get alpha minus beta from the first row and beta minus gamma from the second row. Then we will get 0, 1, alpha plus beta, 0, 1, beta plus gamma, 1, gamma square. So two factors already we have got alpha minus beta and beta minus gamma. So we have to get gamma minus alpha. Okay. So let us expand the determinant with respect to the third row. With respect to the first column actually. With respect to the first column. Plus minus plus, minus plus minus plus. Okay. So plus means 1 into beta plus gamma minus alpha plus beta. Okay. We are doing expansion with respect to the first column. Last part we can do the expansion part. So it is coming alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into expanding with respect to the first column. It is 0, this is 0, and the R1 first column and the third row and the first column. That means 1, 3 position. No, this is the third row and the first column. 3, 1 position. Third row and the first column with respect to the third row and the first column element. Then what we will get? 1 into beta plus gamma. If we remove this, remove means we have to delete this third row and the first column. Then we will get these elements. So 1 into beta plus gamma minus 1 into alpha plus beta. So beta plus gamma minus alpha plus beta. So beta plus gamma minus alpha plus beta. So it is coming minus alpha minus beta. Plus beta minus beta will be cancelled. So we will get here alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, and gamma minus alpha, which is equal to right hand side. That is proved. This is next sum number 4. Sum number 4, what is the question? A plus B plus 2C, A, B, C, B plus C plus 2A, this is B, C, A, C plus A plus 2B, which is equals to 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube. 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube. This we have to prove. So obviously we will start from the left hand side. Okay, let's start from the left hand side. Let me run this. Okay. So let us add A plus B plus 2C plus A plus B. Let us add all the three columns. So C1 dashed equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. So it is coming A plus B plus 2C plus A plus B plus A. This is A, this is B. And C plus B plus C plus 2A plus B. B plus C plus 2A, B. And this is C plus A plus C plus A plus 2B. A, C plus A plus 2B. Okay, now it is coming 2A, 2B, 2C. Here also 2A, 2B, 2C. Here also 2A, 2B, 2C. So 2A, 2B, 2C means 2 into A plus B plus C we can take outside. 2 into A plus B plus C we can take outside the determinant. So we will get 1, 1, 1 in the first column. And it will remain same. A, B plus C plus 2A. And here it is A, here it is B, next again B, and next C plus A plus 2B. Okay. Now B plus C 2A. Okay, next second row minus first row. Second row minus first row. Then 2 into A plus B plus C. Second row minus first row means 1 minus 1, that is 0. A minus second row minus first row will remain same. So 1 A B. 1 minus 1 is 0. B plus C plus 2A minus A. So it is coming again A plus B plus C. And here B minus B is 0. Okay, and here also third row minus second row. Third row minus second row. So this is again, let me write it first. Second row means R2 minus R1 and R3 dashed equals to R3 minus R2. Again 1 minus 1 is 0 here, and A minus B minus C minus 2A. So it is coming minus of A plus B plus C. Minus of A plus B plus C. And C plus A plus 2B minus B, that means C A plus B plus C. Okay, now we will expand with respect to the first row. Okay, let me rub the first part of the given determinant. Then what we will get, let us expand with respect to the first row. Then what we will get? This is equal to 2 into A plus B plus C. 2 into A plus B plus C. Expanding with respect to, okay, afterwards, and At first, from the second row a plus b plus c we can take outside, and from the third row also we can take outside a plus b plus c. So now it is coming a plus b plus c from the second row, a plus b plus c from the third row. That means already a plus b plus c existing here, so it will be 2 into a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, and the determinant what we will get, afterwards I will expand. A1, AB, 0, 1, 0. It is 0, minus 1, 1. 0, minus 1, 1. Okay. Now expanding with respect to the first row, already I have said. That means with respect to the first row, what will be 1 minus of 0. So it is coming only 1. Okay, now it is expanded with respect to the first row. No need to write. If you want, we can write here 1 minus 0. So it is 2 into a plus b plus c whole cube, which is equal to right hand side. Proved. Next, I'm coming with new video. Thank you.